When a damaged boy finds a damaged girl, can both their hearts transform into a flawless pearl? When a gracious man finds a gracious woman, both fountains overflow, so that no good work be left undone. Although it is not good for man to be alone, what good is a crutch before you are fully grown? Although it is not best for a woman apart to be saved, what good is a suitor that turns a maiden into a pet? Surely if the blind lead the blind, they will both fall. Surely if the broken mend the broken, they will forever crawl. Surely if the lost guide the lost the way of life, they'll never learn. Surely if the shrewd learn from the shrewd, every bridge will burn. When your best friend who swore to never marry finds a maid, don't be surprised if your friendship turns sour, then sours into hate. When your siblings follow a passing skirt or tail, don't be surprised when toward chaos they sail. When your daughter finds flattering lips and shoddy support, don't be surprised when she trades her own heart to cold. Oh. Any romance that injects distance between friends is surely immature obsession. The rudder named love will steer straight towards selfish possession. Any unity that sends a bride back to a negligent uncle's house is surely broken. The committed word to an imagined fantasy cannot be unspoken. But if two come together and have more grace, mercy, and love for others, then explore, foster, and build a unity that makes stewards out of lovers.